Greetings, my lovely friends. Welcome to another one. Working on an EP with a friend, so collaborating. So I'm gonna have his open up his project in a bit and get started on working on what he's done so far, and just allowing the project to work for itself. But basically, if you've been watching the previous videos, I've received these beats from him and I'm just working on them as best as I can to complement the artist and bring out the best in the projects. And as usual, I've got my own set of rules that I use, and I try to keep to these specific rules here to guide me throughout the creation of any project that I collaborate with someone with. And it just helps you to maintain time and retain objectivity. So as usual, hit the like, hit the subscribe so you can see the stuff again and get some freebies at the end when we finish this entire album and mix it and everything. So
She was all about me, I swear.
Yeah, that's another one, guys. I did get a little bit carried away at the end, but that's the end of the track. And I really want to show, thank you so much for watching. Please drop me a subscription and a like if you want to keep seeing this content, and I will also mix this project in the future. Let me know what you liked about it, and look forward to hearing from you guys again.
She was all about me, I swear.